The landing gear control lever unit is used to command the landing gear extension and retraction. The unit incorporates a downlock solenoid, controlled by the landing gear electronic unit through signals from the ground-air proximity switches. Its purpose is to avoid inadvertent gear-up selection while the aircraft is on ground. After liftoff, when the air-ground sensing switches sense no weight on wheels, the solenoid will energize by command from the landing gear electronic unit. This will remove the mechanical lock from the lever, and gear up can now be selected. In case of a malfunction in the control system or in the solenoid itself, a manual push button is provided to override the downlock release system manually.